Uh-oh. Kenzie, help him put his boot on. Oh, no, I don't want to help you. Oh my God. You need help?
Help! You.
Oh God, okay. Here. Alright, put your foot right in there. That's a good boy. Alright, go back and play.
Take a picture of us.
I am. Alright, go play and I'll take a picture. Oh my God. There you go. Good jump. Right in the puddle. Awesome. Alright, you guys ready to come in?
No.
Alright, good. Stay out here. I'll see you later.